cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Bogart Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Toyota Grand Highlander, and we're going to do the wheel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the rim looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire rim. The link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire rim. So it's easier if the vehicle is washed, but if you don't have time to wash the vehicle, another way you can prep the rim is by having soapy water with you. So this one contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. You can also use any other car shampoo products that you may have available to wash the rim and the wheel. Another thing you can use just to help remove any hard contaminants, since the rims are usually more exposed to grease and oils. Since it is on the road, we use tack solution here. So tack solution has 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. This will help remove any wax, grease, or any other contaminants that the rim may have. So deep clean, and then we can start with the installation. And then just have your microfiber towel. Okay, so once you finish with the prep, now we can start with the installation. So this is how the kit will look. So if you notice, everything's the same when it comes to the size. So you could pick any piece from here and just start with the installation, aligning it and tagging it down. So for the bigger piece, we're going to grab it slowly, place it on the side. And with this one, we just need to make sure we align the film to where it belongs. Make sure you double check and see where it's at. It's going to be here where this V shape is located. So to do the installation, grab it from one end and align it to this curved area here. And something to keep in mind when it comes to this install, we're only covering the face. If you notice, there is chrome here on top that is not being covered. Since it is curved, it may lift over time. So we're only covering the face of the entire chrome. So this is aligned. Now work your way to the other end, just making sure the face is being covered. And if you need to make adjustments to align it, you can. So like this. So it's just aligning as you go. Since it is a bigger piece here, you just need to make sure everything stays aligned. Okay, and once you have this entire section lined up, work your way down, and you should reach it to the middle here. Just like that. Remember, the face is the only thing being covered. Just help align this section too. So lift carefully. And it's just adjusting as needed. And then once you finish applying this one, you repeat the process for the rest of them. Make sure you apply heat as you go with the installation. That way the adhesive on the film is starting to activate faster as you're doing the install. So just grab your heat device. You can use a heat gun like this one, or you can use a hair dryer, whichever you have available. And then just use the lowest setting and just apply heat to the film. Make sure you go all around. That really help the adhesive on the film activate faster. Okay, and this is how it should look once we're done. You help it tack down, and you repeat the same process for the remaining ones, at least for these. And I'll show you guys how to do this one. This one's pretty simple right here. That piece here is just this strip here. So you just peel it off. Once you have your piece with this one, I recommend starting from the top here, since there is just a small little portion of chrome here. Just cover that and just slowly work your way to the bottom. And like I mentioned, we're just covering the face of the film. Grab your heat gun, apply heat to make sure everything stays aligned. There you go. Should look like that. And then seal the edges to help the adhesive activate faster. And that way the film doesn't lift. And that's pretty much it. So you would just repeat the same process for this one and this one, go all around, and then once you're done, apply heat once more. So basically post heat. So once you finish installing each piece on the rim, the last thing to do is post heat everything. So just focus all around the rim. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. Take your time, make sure you get all over the edges, that way it doesn't lift. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the wheel chrome delete installation for the Toyota Grand Highlander. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.